Well, as usual, I got to do everything by myself. Ugh. Been working on this thing all night. I got the power module installed. It took a little while. Do a little tweaking on it now. All right, get all this crap out of the way. This would have been a lot easier if I could have found some tri-flow. I need to get a workbench. It's getting too hard to get up and down. All right, let's do a real quick tool inventory, see what we got here. WD-40. Of course, duct tape. And rubber mallet. Let's see. What are we going to do here? What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. Guess we might as well power it up since we're checking out the power module upgrade. Let's see. Now what? I'm missing something. What is it? Yeah, we'll get that off of here. I don't want to set it on fire. Let's look under the hood. Ah, yes. Interesting. It was a tight fit, but I got it in there. Yeah, now I know what. Now I remember what I was going to do. Excuse me. I have to go turn the breakers off. This is going to be drawing so much power, I'm liable to blow everything. Ooh, it's dark. All right, let's get in here. See what we got. All right, adjust this pot just a little bit to the left, I think will work. Okay. All right. No, I don't need that. Yeah, all right. All right, twist this. Yep, right there. That'll work. Let's see. There you go. Yep, that's it. Melt these ends off here. Get everything sealed up. That'll work. And now, just a little trimming up to do. Where are they at? I know I put them in here. Where is it? Did I leave these on the stand? Ah, Edward Scissorhands. Get the stuff trimmed up. Okay, that should do it. Get this crap out of the way. Okay, let's close the lid. Nice and secure. What else? What else? I know there's something. Ah, that's right. We don't dare leave this little good evil thing on here. Not with a chance of it going straight to 120%. Yeah, not that I would ever go straight to 120%. I'm not the kind of guy that strap a rocket engine to a test stand backwards and then blow it out the end of it. Oh, look at there, 110%. That's different. Yep. I'm not blind yet. Oh, 120%. It's a little on the bright side there. Yeah, it'll probably be all right. Probably. Well, nothing smoking. That's a good sign. All right, I guess I'll just go ahead and power that down and go turn the circuit breaker back on. Let's see. I'm going to need a test gnome for this subject, I guess. Oh well.